In most Linux distributions, the firewall is not enabled by default. Also, most of these distributions include the UFW or Uncomplicated Firewall, which is just needs to be activated manually. And you will get eventually the graphical interface. For example, here in Linux Mint, we will go to Menu, then Preference, then scroll down, click on Firewall Configuration, it's your password, and here we go with the graphical interface of the Uncomplicated Firewall. And this turn is on. All you have to do is to go into status and click on it, activate the mode. There is also different available profiles on home, public, office. For PC desktop or user's desktop, profile home will work just fine. In the introduction basics here, it tells us normal users will be safe and fine with the settings. But if you are using any applications for B2B or SSH connection, remote access control, then you can go to rules and make an exception for your connection SSH apps to allow you to connect with servers if it's required.